This is my code of what's of if condition. First, we need to do a int num1 underscore jbb, int num2 underscore jbb. This is what I declared. Then if num1 underscore jbb is greater than or equal to num2 underscore jbb, the output will larger is equals to num1. And if num1 underscore jbb is less than num2 underscore jbb, the output will be larger is equals to num2. And this is my output. The true statement is larger equals to num1.